what should be added to x squared plus 20x in order to make it a perfect square. So to start solving this question, we are going to start. So we have our x squared plus 20x. So the coefficient of x here, it is 20. We are going to take the coefficient of x, which is 20. We divide by 2 and then we square it. So we are going to add here, and then in brackets 20 divide by 2, and then we square. So here it will be x squared plus 20x plus 20x plus 20 divided by 2 is 10, and the 10 square means 100. So when it is like this, it is already a perfect square, and the number which has been added there is 100. So when we add 100 here, we make this expression a perfect square. Thank you for understanding.